I got monetized on YouTube. That means I'm rich, right?
You wish.
Gee, thanks, dick. No, I am not rich by a long shot, but I did want to take some time in this video to explain some things to you, and thank you guys. What is going on, guys? Shooting Dave here, so good to see your faces. Welcome back to the channel. Now, if you're new here and you don't know what I'm about, I am a photographer from London that now lives here in Los Angeles, and I make photo and video editing tutorials. And if that sounds like something of interest to you, then please do consider subscribing. So, as I said at the beginning of the video, thank you all so much for subscribing, and thank you for the hours of watching my YouTube videos. I really do appreciate it. Without you guys, I wouldn't be in this position, and as of today, I have around 3,400 subscribers, so thank you to every one of you. I will get into how much I earned during my first month of being monetized on YouTube, but for now I want to give you a little bit of insight as to how I started this channel and why. I didn't start this channel to become a YouTuber. I wanted to get that out first and foremost. I had no aspirations of making a living from it. I wasn't going to be one of those celebrities like the Casey Neistat or the Peter McKinnon. I had no illusions of that. I just wanted to start this video to help you guys. Initially, I got into YouTube as I wanted to show what went on inside the images that I was creating. At the time, I managed to get on the front cover of a few magazines, and I was light painting a lot. Now, naturally, that meant I got a lot of questions from followers and other photographers. You see, I kind of felt like a big deal. Ha! Wow. My assumption that YouTube would be easy was a grave mistake. You see, it wasn't at all. I knew my way around my camera and my lights, but I hadn't really filmed myself. You see, I didn't have a set, I didn't have adequate audio, I didn't have soft lighting, I didn't even have a camera that focused on my face. So when I started YouTube, I wasn't very good.
You still ain't.
Alright, mate. Even still, I felt like the timing was right, and it felt like something I should be doing. But there was one other thing that I hadn't counted for. Nerves.
Ooh, I'm scared.
Ignore him. I was not, and I am still not, a natural in front of the camera. You see, it is an enormous effort to make these videos, but slowly and surely I feel like I'm getting better at them, and I'm starting to want to make the videos rather than feel like I have to. And that brings us to today. I've now got monetized on YouTube. So how do you get monetized on YouTube? Well, to get monetized on YouTube, you need a minimum of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in total. And it's the last part that is the real kicker. The 4,000 hours of watch time is what defines you. You see, you can easily get 1,000 subscribers if you basically go around and beg everyone you know to subscribe to your channel. But actually getting people to sit there and watch the 4,000 hours requirement, well, that is a whole other story, and that is really difficult to achieve. So that is basically the bit I'm most proud of about getting monetized on YouTube, because the numbers are one thing, but actually getting people to sit down and engage and watch my videos, that feels like a real victory to me. For me, I didn't actually cross over the 4,000 hours of watch time threshold until I had 2,000 subscribers, and I actually put that down to one lucky video being picked up by the almighty YouTube algorithm. So what happens once you do meet the criteria? Well, you apply through YouTube Studio and then you get your Google AdSense approved. Once that's done, the money starts rolling in. Only it doesn't. You see, Google then has to send you a PIN code to your address, and that can take anything from about 2 to 8 weeks. So I still haven't received mine, so I've not actually received a penny, though according to my AdSense, in the last 28 days, I've earned about $185.19. Not bad, right? I still think that is slightly inflated due to a certain video getting a lot of traction on YouTube, but I'll take it. Or at least I'll take it once I get my pin from Google. And one last thing before I sign off, starting a YouTube account as a photographer has opened my eyes to the world of videography, and what I enjoy most about this new discipline is the transference of skills between the two. It has helped me in my day job, and it continues to help me in photography. So if you're sat there watching this as a photographer and you're thinking about making the jump, I'd say go for it.
Nah.
And that's all from me, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you've got any comments or questions, let me know down below. If you haven't already, please do consider subscribing. And as always, guys, I've been at Shooting Dave, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya.